JCID badge flashing box, iX4, operation guide. Step 12. Trigger power interface. Connection interface. Support to copy and delete firmware. USB flashing interface. Network cable interface. Connect iX4 to power supply. Press the power button in the upper right corner to turn on the device. Then connect the network cable. Select language and enter the system. Prepare the mobile phone to be flashed. And the corresponding data cable. Connect iX4 to mobile phone. After connection, iX4 will automatically match the downloaded firmware in local. If the corresponding firmware of the mobile phone has not been downloaded, click Select Firmware. You can view the downloaded firmware in local. If the firmware has not been downloaded, click Cloud DL. Then, select the needed firmware of the corresponding model. The downloaded firmware will be shown as finished. The firmware hasn't been downloaded will be shown as download. Click Download to download the firmware. You can check the download progress at least. Connect it to computer with a data cable. Click Set in the upper right corner. Click Link PC. Then you can copy the firmware on the computer to iX4. After downloading the firmware, you can flash the device with checking or uncheck retained data. It enables 1P flashing, 1P flashing with fixed battery, 1P unbind. After flashing, if it requires for activation, you can click Skip to automatically skip the activation process and enter the system. Click More Fun. There are also functions such as phone shutdown, enter recovery mode, restart phone, and unbind details. Click Flashing. iX4 reminds, please click Trust on your phone. Click Trust on mobile phone. Then it will flash normally. Fully automatic. No other operation required. Flash completed. Then we flash 4 devices at the same time. Connect 4 devices to iX4. Start flashing. Flash succeed.